10, so we're very early. So just remember that next time we're late. Today we were early. Also, please keep your seatbelts on. Our captain will turn off the seatbelt sign once we are safely parked at the gate. In the meantime, please remain seated with all your carry-on items stowed until we have reached the gate. If your phone is close, you can now take that out of airplane mode. Also, with our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be at baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or you'll receive a discount or miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, just check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. We'll be getting off this aircraft the same way you came on, through the forward left-hand door. Please watch your step as you proceed into the terminal. On behalf of all the employees at Alaska Airlines, a proud member of One World Alliance, we'd like to thank you all for flying with us today. We invite you to Melama, or Take Care of Hawaii, with us. And to learn more on how to be a mindful traveler during your stay in the island, just visit travel2change.org. That's travel2change.org/Alaska Air. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Mahalo and take care.